Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the keyboard and layout match your expectations so shortcuts behave predictably. Once done, focus on the modifier keys, Control, Alt, Shift, and on Mac the CMD key because everything builds from them. Now practice 3 immediate, useful combos: Control plus C to copy, Control plus V to paste, and Control plus Z to undo. Try them in a text editor so you can feel the rhythm. Make sure to repeat each until finger placement becomes automatic and comfortable. Once you've mastered the basics, expand into navigation and multitasking to save real time. You'll use Control plus F to locate text quickly, press Enter or Shift plus Enter to move through results. Then practice switching between apps, Alt plus Tab on Windows or CMD plus Tab on Mac, and hold the keys to preview windows, which is faster than clicking. Also learn simple window management, Win plus D or Win plus arrow keys on Windows, and CMD plus M on Mac, because arranging screens matters for productive shortcuts. To finish, customize shortcuts so they match how you work. Open system or app settings and assign keys for frequent actions, and consider creating macros for multi-step tasks. Once configured, practice the new bindings until they feel natural. Muscle memory is the goal. If a shortcut doesn't work, first confirm the correct keyboard layout and that the target app has focus, then inspect for conflicting mappings. If necessary, restart the app or remap the shortcut to resolve the conflict quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.